Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3. In this video, we will show you how to prepare the Gantt chart for our project using the Microsoft Excel. Step 1. Prepare a table based on the project schedule. First, we write down the project title, which is a residential project in Shah Alam, Selangor. Then, we start by stating the starting date of the project. For the table, there are 3 columns to be prepared. A column for tasks, where all tasks in the projects are to be listed, and a start and an end column to show the starting date and the end date of every task.
So for the next step is to prepare the timeline for the chart area. We will start with 2nd September 2021 and the next month, as we just want to display the month of the year. We will use the custom number format to represent the month. Then drag the boxes at the right until reach at the end of 2023. Adjust the boxes. For upper row, we will merge these cells to display the year. Then insert the year. After that, we will use the left function to create months row. Then adjust the column to fit the size.
Step 3. Making the milestone bar appears. First, select all of these cells as shown in the video. Then, choose Select Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Next, choose Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. Then, enter the formula as shown on the video. Use the logical function and set the date September 2021 greater than equal to the start, comma, the date less than or equal to the end. Then click Format. Next, select the theme color, which is orange, and that's it.
Moving on to step 4 in making progress for project tasks. First, we insert a new column at the right side of the task column, where in the column we enter the progress of work in percentage. Later, we highlight the progress column, then choose the conditional formatting. Select data bars where we had chosen the grain fadings for it. Afterwards, select conditional formatting, then manage rule to edit the formatting rule. Next, set the type from automatic to number for minimum and to formula for maximum. And lastly, enter the value 1 for maximum, then click OK.
Step 5 is a step to show progress by shading a portion of the bar with a conditional formula. Therefore, a long formula needs to be included in stages using names to make it easier to read. The date at the top of the column needs to be within the start and end date, but now the end is calculated by adding the start date plus days complete minus 1 day. This formula doesn't work yet because the names haven't defined yet. So go to Formula, Name Manager, and then click New. Enter Task Start, set the scope of the sheet, then select the start cell and make the row number relative with no dollar sign or X sign, and click OK. Repeat the same process for task end and task progress.
Now is the task progress. It show 40%. So number 1 here show the 40%. So when we change it to 100%, the 3 box from September to November, they are number 1 here. So this means that the formula is true. So we just copy the formula and we need to apply the formula for the whole timeline. So we highlight the timeline, home, condition formatting, and we just paste the formula here. And here format, we just choose the color to address the progress. So here come the product. So here we just touch up any intended. So just choose the color for the column header, differentiate the color for each year. Just choose your preferred color. So here we got the peach, yellow and blue to differentiate these 3 different years. So just touch up it, highlight the necessary thing, put it all up in the middle, highlight the whole timeline, choose the format for the border. Just keep doing so to finish the Gantt chart. So here project start, just put it here, this project title, bold it, and the Gantt chart is almost finished. So here we can change it. For example, for task progress, we can change the progress here. For example, this 100% to 50%, and here come the change on the timeline. Also for the task number 2, 40%, also there change on the timeline. Just delete the number. This change to 0%, also this to 0%. So this progress is just the example for this project. So I can say that the Gantt chart is almost finished. Now change the Excel to A4, and here show the final product of the Gantt chart. So here we can just change the title to Gantt chart for residential project in Shah Alam. Okay. So here is the final product of the Gantt chart for residential project in Shah Alam. Thank you.